Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg-fried Maggi at home. Start by boiling Maggi for 2 minutes and reserve 2 tablespoons of cooking water. Drain quickly and set noodles aside while you beat 1 egg with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a pan until shimmering and add aromatics like chopped garlic or green chili for a flavor kick before frying the noodles briefly. Heat a non-stick pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, then sauté garlic or onion until soft. Toss in the boiled Maggi and add the seasoning sachet, stirring to combine with the reserved 2 tablespoons of water. Push noodles to the side, pour the beaten egg into the pan, and scramble gently. Then fold the egg through the noodles for an even coating and a silky texture throughout. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for saving leftover egg-fried Maggi and preventing spills in your bag. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and make weekday lunches stress-free. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set, and now let's get back to the video. For extra nutrition, toss in frozen peas or thinly sliced carrot before adding the egg, cooking until just tender. A splash of soy sauce or a teaspoon of chili sauce lifts the savory profile without overpowering the masala. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and fresh chopped cilantro for brightness, and taste before serving to adjust salt, spice, or acidity to your preference for a perfectly balanced bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.